Yesterday, the Supreme Court turned into a drama theatre, whereby the 8 justices turned down their appearance in the delivering of ruling by their colleague Esther Kisakye, who told the journalists that the Chief Justice has taken away her judgment in regards to Robert Kyagulanyi's Centum case.
Recently, I instructed my staff to put my ruling here for delivery. The Chief Justice and the other members of the quorum have opted not to be part of this afternoon's proceedings, and I respect their decisions. However, what is of surprise to me is that my file has apparently been confiscated on the orders of the Chief Justice. I am going to proceed in the court building to recover my file, and I'll come back and read my ruling today as scheduled.
But in the absence of her colleague and the defendant side, she read her reasons in regards to why they can allow Kyagulanyi to withdraw his case, in which is challenging the victory of Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, also not extending time for filing affidavits and even not making amendments in his case. However, several law practitioners have turned the incidents as something which shouldn't be tolerated in the current era.
However, what happened yesterday, what we saw yesterday on televisions, what we read, damaged the image of the judiciary. The judiciary as an institution is a critical instrument in the governance of a country.
We are handling, we will get back to you. We will get back to you because we know the public expects action from the Judicial Service Commission, and we are taking the action. And it is within their right to know how far the matter has gone, because it affects justice being seen to be done.
The Permanent Secretary of Judicial Services Commission, Ronald Sekajja, has said that they have initiated any investigations into the event.
Teams started doing the investigations. We are carrying out investigations. We have not got the report back, but I'm sure when the commission sits, we'll be able to check on how far the progress will be. But I can assure you that we commenced investigations in that matter, and we are waiting the result. We normally bring this up at this high level when the members of the commission sit. So our next sitting is not very far. We should be able to know the status next week.
City lawyer Dan Wandera Ogaro also commented on the decisions which were made yesterday, whereby all the parties are to cater for their costs.
So the question of costs is ordinarily a discretion of the court. And I think the court reached a proper decision in not awarding the costs. Because also courts work with the precedents. In 2001, the case went against Dr. Kisakye. He was not condemned to pay costs. He didn't pay costs to Museveni, to President Museveni. In 2006, again, Dr. Kisakye lost the petition. Again, the court said you will not pay costs.
The big question after the withdrawal of the case is what next for President-elect Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
It is not the decision of the court which legitimizes President Museveni when the petition is withdrawn. It is the declaration by the Electoral Commission which remains, and that is what now legitimizes President Museveni. Because the Honorable Kyagulanyi took a petition to court, he withdrew it. So the case was not heard on merit. Legitimacy of President Museveni is based on the declaration of the Electoral Commission. It is as if there was no case. Because you took it there, you've withdrawn it. It is as if there has been no case.
Yes, Chigongo, Channel 44 Prime News.